February. I'm going to ride down to Guardamar and back. See how we get on, and we'll see. I'll bring you back when I get into La Marina all the time.
I love the clothes you wear, they're so mean, they're so free, they're so handsome. Love the clothes you wear. Love the clothes you wear. I love the broken crown, the one you stole from the king and held for ransom. Love the broken crown. Love the broken crown. Love it.
Here we are, on our way to Guardamar. That's Guardamar over there, you can see. Now, I've never been down here, but I'm going to try and go down here and see where it brings us.
I love the golden cat, you know, the one that you keep in your bedroom. Love the golden cat, yeah. Love the golden cat. Velvet hat, you know, the one that caused a revolution. Love the velvet hat. Love the velvet hat. I love it.
We're just riding down to the bridge so we can cross the river.
Love the way you walk. Love the way you walk. La 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 la. Love the way you talk. Love the way you walk. Walk on.
I couldn't get the camera out in time, but yes, there was water in it, about 6 inches, but we're okay, we're through it. Bye for now. Here we got La Marina, just riding round, trusty old bike. We're going to go all the way down to the pier head and then back for a beer in La Marina. So it's probably going to be about, I would say, 16-17 miles by the time we get back. Bring you back in a minute.